Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to run your Flutter apps on your mobile phone by connecting it with Android Studio. This process allows you to test and debug your Flutter apps on a physical device for a real-world experience. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites in place. A working Flutter development environment with Flutter and Dart installed. Android Studio installed and set up for Flutter development. A USB cable to connect your mobile phone to your computer. Ensure that USB debugging is enabled on your mobile phone. Here's how to do it. On your mobile phone, go to Settings. Navigate to About Phone or Software Information. Find the build number and tap on it multiple times until developer options are enabled. In Developer Options, enable USB debugging. Now, let's connect your mobile phone to your computer. Using a USB cable, connect your mobile phone to your computer. When prompted on your mobile phone, select File Transfer or Media Transfer Protocol (MTP). Next, let's set up Android Studio to recognize your connected mobile phone. Launch Android Studio. In Android Studio, open your Flutter project. In the toolbar, you should see a drop-down for selecting your connected device. Select your connected mobile phone from the drop-down. Now, you're ready to run your Flutter app on your mobile phone. Click the Run button in Android Studio. Android Studio will compile your app and install it on your mobile phone. Your Flutter app will launch on your mobile phone, and you can interact with it just like any other app. During development, you can also use Android Studio for debugging your app on your mobile phone. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and use the debugging tools provided by Android Studio to identify and fix issues in real time. In conclusion, running your Flutter apps on your mobile phone using Android Studio is a valuable step in app development. It allows you to test your apps on a physical device, providing a more authentic user experience and enabling efficient debugging. With these steps mastered, you're well equipped to create, test, and refine your Flutter apps on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!